Hey guys, I'm Jim with Colton RV and Marine, and today on this winter day we wanted to bring you our newest partnership, Sylvan Pontoons. We just unwrapped this brand new one off the truck, and what you're looking at is an A-22, which has a cherry color with a white accent with black rails. So hop on the inside with me and we'll go through the all new A-22 here at Colton RV and Marine. So what's really nice about this 22 footer, on a lot of the spaces, you don't really get too much of a extended swim platform. Sylvan still incorporated it with this boat, and you actually see what else is on the back of this boat is a deep ladder. So you can kind of tell how deep this would be in the water, how easily it is for me to come up it. And then right onto the swim platform, to a safe platform, you're able to walk across to your other dock or another boat. And then what you're also looking back here, guys, is the ski tow bar. Ski tow bar is going to enable you to tube, water ski, wakeboard, slalom ski, anything you're doing for that afternoon. And this Yamaha 115 4-stroke is the best partner to do it with. So hop onto the interior and we'll take you through that also. So you guys can see the space in this 22 footer. It gives a mirror look of 4 couches and 2 captain seats. But what you're looking at right now is you're looking at, a chase lounge for this rider to sit back and enjoy a long ride. You can kind of see the depths of the seats here. All the seats have storage under them, which Sylvan does a nice job. Your cover's in here, but let's say rainwater came down, rain's gonna collect on this track and disperse under the deck. So all your goodies like the cover stay dry. Moving back, one of our popular layouts is this layout having the dual consoles. Not dual consoles, but dual seats. The dual seats lets you take out 2 people and then have them comfortable sitting next to each other. And what I like about a lot of these boats, when you have the mirror look, you have the captain seats that this person can enjoy this conversation, and if they want to join the conversation in the back of the boat, easily swivel to the back. You have nice cup holders here to help this rider enjoy his ride. The boat's a 12-person boat. It is incorporated with tilt steering wheel, wet sound speakers, a depth gauge, and then you can kind of see what Sylvan does to their dash. Leaves an open spot for any of your favorite fish finders, whether that be Garmin or Lowrance. Moving to the back of the boat, again, I've hit on the mirror finish of the front and the back. You're gonna get 2 captains or benches back here that'll enable you to lounge and watch your riders as you guys are going up and down the river. So if this is a boat for you, give us a call, 716-694-0188. My extension's 425 and I'm Jim, and we'd be happy to show you this boat or any other of the boats in our showroom.